Girl, you doing so much.
I'm telling you.
Well, you're not doing nothing yet. And who's at the door?
Why you acting retarded?
Is that my door?
Yes, it was open. I'm about to beat their ass. No, that's not funny. No, because what you want me to do? No, I'm talking about these motherfucking kids. We're going to beat their ass, right,
in the kitchen playing a game.
Oh.
And that wasn't even my door. That's Tori's door.
So what are we doing? But what do you want me to do?
You know them chickens, it's only 20 to get up in there.
What do you want me to do, though?
Shit, it don't matter. I'll be ready like
I need a mixer.
This nigga talking about I need a mixer.
Who you talking to?
You.
Chaser.
I don't drink white no way.
Tired of your shit. You better hurry the fuck up.
Like 20 or 30 to get in there.
Okay, who cares? Well, what you want me to ride past Onyx real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
But you getting dressed in the meantime?
That's what I was doing.
No, I'm not playing. 5. You better be ready in 10 minutes, bitch.
No, I'll be ready in like 20 or 30 minutes.
30. 20.
This whole here is retarded.
Hold on, let me find my eyelash.
Damn, bitch.
That part.
Hold on, don't move yet. Don't move the vehicle.
Little baby got me fucked up.
Oh, no, this is not cute.
No, it's not fun. Whose phone?
What?
You said phone?
Bitch,
Soda.
Soda? Damn, why your thighs so little?
I don't, because they are.
Because they are.
Oh, huh, I don't know who dropped this.
Her.
Wait, I don't know. Don't
Yes.
say nothing. Yeah, give me that spurt. No. Oh, give it
That's
to me.
what he left in
That
the
was,
car.
yeah, Zayday. That's my purse. Oh, that's Zayday. And he ain't dropped shit, bitch. What else he dropped, sis?
It came off.
Look, what else he
Oh my
dropped, sis?
God.
Look, I had to kiss
Her lash
her.
came
Look,
off.
I had to kiss her for that.
I don't know.
Do you put it on for you?
No, hold on.
I can.
I think I got this. Who's
Let me
that?
put it on.
Who's that?
Give it to me. I got it.
No.
I know how to put lash
Shake
on.
my
Give it
butt
to
for
me.
him.
Come on, turn around.
No, I don't want
I know how to put it on. Don't try me like that. Stop
I
playing
want to
me.
do it myself, though.
Why y'all acting retarded?
No, she's had to retard that.
I'm trying to put my
I'm
damn
talking about
lash.
her. And then you just go, oh my
But
gosh.
Okay. Who you talking to?
You, bro, too. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what
I'm
you're gonna do when you take the ass beating from Nicole? What? You better say that.
Girl!
Okay, come on, for real. Come on
Come
up.
on.
MJ, stop
Let me
playing.
do this myself.
No, let me. I just
Oh
wanna.
my
I gotta hold
gosh.
your face because it's beautiful.
Oh my.
Just close your eyes. Hold on. Stop.
Yeah, you put me up.
Wait, stop playing. She won't even let me put it on. Okay, here, you look and finish. Put it on. No, because you won't let me put it on. You're stupid. Tidy your ass. Here, look. Oh, yeah, look. I was trying to get on. You won't let me. Stupid.
You did a good job. You really
I did?
Yeah.
Are you being sarcastic? or-
Yeah.
You are? Yeah, which one?
Yeah, you do good.
No, yeah, you're being sarcastic.
Yes.
Which one? Yeah. Which one, MJ?
Bro, stop. You didn't even do good.
No, you're not. You wouldn't let me finish. It wasn't on.
It's
Stupid.
cute like this, but it's not on.
Yeah, let me put it on. You close your eyes.
Then you better put
No,
my...
I'm trying to concentrate my finger.
Just be gentle with my... Concentrate your finger.
It's not funny.
I'm saying any more glue.
But it's that damn pimple for me.
Okay, because yours is way bigger and wider. The freak.
Are y'all okay?
No,
Yeah,
she
I
always
know
want to talk about me.
Her hand's
Ain't
so
supposed to be
tiny.
driving by
But
ounces.
Calvin be calling you stinking stuff.
He stink.
But I know he does, but I don't ever talk about you. But your hand's so little tiny. You're so little.
He calls me stink because I call him stink.
But it looks like
He
it's on
stink.
point. Where do you see it off at?
My pimple?
No, the lash.
My eyelash? No, it do look
No, I'm
like...
saying where's the lights on point? Where's it off?
This hoe is, oh my gosh.
Where is
We
it
supposed
off
to be
at?
riding through. I know.
Oh, wait, where's it off at, though?
Okay, I see it.
Okay, well, help her. Because I have nails
It
on.
needs more glue, don't it?
Yes.
These
Okay.
lashes is cute. You made it look cute. This is. I think you did on the
You
right.
should have let me. Oh.
I should've
You should
did
let
it
me
in
do it in the first place,
Yeah,
right?
You need to put that in your city.
Oh, where we start recording?
Yes. My YouTube channel is.
Wait, let's
No,
see.
hold on.
Wait, can they subscribe to this?
Yes.
Like, they gotta pay?
No.
Let's charge them for this video.
No. Hey. Can you put some?
Can we subscribe them to this video?
Did he have a mask on?
No.
I don't know, but can we go, y'all? Because we gotta.
Please, wait.
Come
Oh my gosh.
on, you gotta help her.
Girl, no. It
You gotta
wasn't
help
all
her.
right. It was heavy.
I'll help her if you come over here closer. I can do it right.
Sharita, I don't need your help. I could put.
Okay, you know what? Fuck that. I'm going.
No, don't go. Don't
You know what? I'll fuck us high. You wanna know what this is? Ratchet City, 2021. These bitches looking confused and shit.
Yeah, because. Is that shit?
So what I was saying was, I mean, how long have we been recording?
Like the last 5 minutes. What is going on? This whole jigging. Bitch, we supposed to be right. Oh wait, no, we're
Wait,
live.
is this live for real?
No, we're not live.
Oh, okay. Can you boot this out?
Huh?
That part out.
I'm gonna bleep
Boot
a lot of
it.
shit out.
No, don't delete a lot of shit, but
I
delete
got
that.
a bleep. I ain't deleting
Bleep.
nothing. I'm gonna bleep it out.
Bleep.
When I say
Like,
retarded, it's gonna say bleep. Da.
oh, my baby's calling me. Ask her what's wrong.
Who's your baby? Snake?
I want some hot fries.
I want some type of fry.
This
It's not
nigga
funny.
really love fries for real. This shit is funny as hell.
What's wrong, princess?
Happy New Year. Oh.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
explain me why me and Zeke went outside to go see some fireworks, right? Next thing you know, they start shooting.
Okay, well,
Out the window.
okay, we should know.
It's the silence. Cause we
Boy,
chilling.
in my head, it seemed loud as fuck.
Right, we chilling. Like, I'm chilling. Shit.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I thought Sinead was in Georgia. So she didn't get to go.
She kept on asking for her to come up, like, for mom to meet her, like, 2 days before Christmas.
Why 2 days? What the
Or, like,
fuck?
the day before Christmas.
That's so late,
To meet
though.
her. Halfway. In Tanton.
Yeah, and I wasn't. So.
Sheree said them bitch for $2-3. Bitch, what you selling for $2-3?
My jigs.
Oh. Gotta bleep that out too.
Cause they go for 10. Bitch, y'all ain't hear that.
Yeah, I gotta bleep that out.
Nene. Wait, why is there all these girls on my shit?
What is that?
Cloud goes. They do anything for cloud. Do anything for cloud. Bitch, watch your mouth.
How hilarious.
Stupid as fuck. You
That
just want
makes
to
you
keep
feel
talking
better.
and mess fucking with a
I'm
nigga.
not fucking with you. I can open my mouth.
Dog, leave me alone, please. Ma'am.
Fuck.
Talk to your friend.
Am I talking to you?
Oh, you talking? Yeah. Talk to your friend.
I'm smoking a cigarette. Don't roll my window up.
I be whipping where the light be.
Y'all so era. Y'all done?
In the system is